Hello friend, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Puri sabji. So for the Puri sabji I have taken, this is Kabuli chana, this I have taken 250 grams and some potatoes. This I am going to boil. So first of all I'll let this boil. I'll put it in the cooker and let the Kabuli chana and the potatoes boil. With this I am going to make the sabji today, and I will make puris also for breakfast. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, comment. The potatoes also I will put along with this. It will boil up. I will put the water. Put some salt, and I will put this up to boil. Friends, now to make the dough for the puri, I will take some maida. This is maida. I will take some maida. So much maida I have taken. Now I will add some atta. This way. I will mix this nicely. I will put some refined oil. If you put the oil, it will be very nice to eat. The puris also will be very nice. I am not adding salt in this. If you all want to add salt, you all can add. I am not mixing anything in this. I am not even putting black jeera also, kalonji. That also I am not putting. If you all want to put kalonji, you all can put. Now I will make the dough. Friends, I have kneaded the dough and this way. Now I'll keep this aside for a few minutes and then make the puris. To make the sabji, the Kabuli chana and the potato, I will put some mustard oil. The oil has gone hot. I have taken khara garam masala. This I will put in. I will put in some bay leaves, some sliced onions, I will let the onions fry a bit. Friends, today I am making a healthy breakfast, puri sabji, and it is very nice to eat for breakfast also. The onions are almost fried up. Now I will put some kasuri methi. You can see this kasuri methi, I will put it in. Put in the ginger garlic paste. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Put some jeera powder. Let all the masalas fry a bit. Friends, I've boiled some potatoes and kept here. This I will mash and put in. I will put some potatoes in this. Mash it like this and put it. Because the gravy also will turn thick and it will be very tasty to eat also. Now I will put in the Kabuli chana which I have boiled and kept. You can see I have boiled and kept. It's gone soft also, it's cooked up also. You can see it. See? Now this will not take time to cook also. Now I will put this in. Put some salt to taste. Mix it well. And I will put the water. If you want to keep the gravy thin or thick, that is up to you. To eat with the puris, it will be very nice. Now I will cover this. I will let this cook. Now I will get ready with the rolling of the puris. Friends, the dough is ready. Now I will make the balls with this and roll out the puris. Friends, I have made the balls. Now I am going to roll out. This way I am going to roll out all the puris. You can see the Kabuli chana and the potatoes are almost cooked. It was already boiled from the beginning. So this is ready now. How nice it's looking. This is ready to eat with the puris. Friends, I have rolled out the puris. You can see the puris here. Now I'm going to fry them. This way I am going to fry the puris. Friends, you can see how nice the puris are bloated up in the oil. How lovely it's looking. This way I will fry. How lovely the puris are looking. Friends, the puri also is made. You can see how nice the puris are looking. And the Kabuli chana also is made to eat with the puris. It is a healthy breakfast. I hope you all will like it. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching my video.